It's Instant Man here. Today I will teach you how you can create this awesome thumbnail only using Canva Free account. Also in this video, I will show you a few tricks on how you can use some Canva Pro features for free. Watch the video without skipping because I will pick 10 people who will win this template for free. Coming up right now. You can make a free account and then get started for free. But if you consider buying the Pro account, you can click the link below. Once you are logged in with your account and you are in your Canva dashboard, simply click the Create a Design button, then select YouTube Thumbnail. As soon as you click the button, you will be redirected to a new tab where you can edit the design. I have opened the reference design in a new tab so that 9 can show you all the things. First thing first, let's demonstrate all the things. We have 2 blobs design, 1 character. The character is a stock photo but you can use your own photo. Then we have some emojis, and at last the text also icons. Let's choose a background. Search for dark and you can use this image. Because in my opinion, it looks clean as well as dark theme. That's why it will have a good contrast ratio. Then go to Adjust tab and decrease the brightness and increase the blur a little bit. The second step is to bring up the subject. For the sake of this tutorial, I am using this image that I got from pexels.com. You can also search from unsplash.com in case if you don't like the images from pexels.com or don't have an image of yourself. You can simply upload your images in the upload section. As you can see, I have already uploaded tons of images. So, once your upload is completed, we will remove the background. Hey! Sorry for the pause. If you enjoying this video so far, a like will be appreciated for me and a sub will make my day. Thanks so much if you do. Also, if you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee and it will keep me active to make more videos as well as freebies. The link is in the description box below. Let's continue. If you have Canva Pro, you can simply go to Effects and then select Remove Background. It will automatically remove the background. But if you don't have Canva Pro, no worry. Go to Remove BG and upload your image. It will do the same thing as well. But the problem is, in the free account of Remove BG you will get a lower resolution file instead of the original file, but in the Canva Pro account, you will get the full resolution. I don't think it's a big deal to have a lower resolution image in a thumbnail, it's totally up to you. Now, please focus on this part. We will be doing more advanced stuff. And I can tell you no one has shown these tricks before. Okay. Make a copy of the image, by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Then adjust the position. When you have done that, select the copied image and go to the Effects tab. From there choose the halftone effects, under the screen option. Please do note, you're probably not able to see the screen option. If you don't see this, then scroll down until you see the tab name screen. Then hit connect and you are ready to go. Select the image and then choose halftone effects. Then again click the halftone settings icons and increase the scale value and hit apply. After that select the transparency grid, and decrease the opacity until you find the likings. And there you go, you have the halftone effect. You can also increase the opacity to make the effects more visible. Now, if you want to have a dramatic mood in the image, simply select the original image. However, I didn't find any layer management option in Canva, so you need to drag the top image to somewhere else, then select the image. And now you can go to the filter option, and click the pre-made filters. I will be using Epic One and then decrease the intensity. Now, we have to make another copy of the original image. Repeat the same process by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Adjust the position and then go to the Filters tab. From there increase the blur value and right-click the image. Then select Send to Back. It will automatically place the blurred image in the back of the actual image. Then follow the setting mine to get the best result. Now you will be saying I can get the shadow effect by using the drop shadow option. But if I use that there will less control to opacity and spread of the shadow radius. Now, again adjust all the images. But make sure to follow this sequence. First will be the blurred image, then the actual image, and at the top, there will be a halftone effect image. We have successfully edited the subject. Let's add the text. Go to the text field and select the heading. Select the font of your likings and then click the letter spacing button to decrease the spaces. Then select the glow effect. Again, make a copy of the text and this time use the stroke effect. To change the stroke color, you need to change the text color, then decrease the opacity and place text behind the actual text. Now add the other text. I will keep this in time-lapse because it's basic editing. Okay. If you want to have the both fill and stroke effect, you need to make 2 duplicates. One will have the normal text and the second one will have the stroke effect. Then keep the stroke one on top of the original one. To get the emojis in PNG, my favorite place is emojipedia.com. Simply search for the emoji you want and then right-click, save the image as PNG. Now the second premium feature of Canva and how you can get this. If you type Blob in Canva, and you will see you need Canva Pro to get this Blob design. But let me show you how to get this for free. Head over to Blob Maker app and from there you can create your Blob design for free. Also, you have more customizable options than Canva. You can simply download this by clicking the download icon. Besides this, the great part is after you have downloaded the design, once you import this in your Canva artboard, you can still change the color. Because this is an SVG format image. Now, put 2 blobs on both sides, and lower the opacity for the bottom right corner. Please don't use too much design in thumbnails. Keep it clean and straightforward. At last, add an arrow image, and send it to the back of the blob design. To make the design more focusing. And there we go, we have made a clean design thumbnail. But the most important thing is, we have learned some awesome tips that I wish I knew from YouTube. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or tips in the comment box below. And I will pick 10 comments who will win this template for free. Till then, stay creative, keep creating. Peace.